How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super clean 2006 Silverado Shortbox, two-wheel drive. Got this truck out of Alabama. Super clean, nice truck. It's got the Belltech lowering kit on it. It's all original paint as far as I can tell. The grill and the headlights, everything's excellent condition. Truck's real nice. Straight down the sides. Just a few minor stone chips in the truck. Other than that, it's excellent condition for the year. It was well taken care of. Very, very nice. See a little bit of dings and scuffs there in the tailgate. See, it looks real good. Got 20-inch Snow Flakes on it. New tires. This thing's loaded up. It's got the 5.3 in it. It's all very clean under the hood. This truck was well taken care of. It's got 106,000 on it. I actually drove this truck around for a week. Probably put about 300 miles on it. Thing drives, rides excellent. Interior's all in excellent condition. Headliner and everything very nice. Got the bucket seat console option. You know, loaded up, everything else, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, air, power mirrors. You know, the interior doesn't even show anywhere. All the windows were tinted, well, the smoke tint. They actually did the windshield as well to help protect the interior, and it is a cool look. See, all in the bed's nice. It's not all beat up or nothing. You know, all the carpet, I mean, carpet's not stained up or anything. It's just very, very nice. It's a good looking truck right there. And these standard cab short box trucks are pretty hard to find. Just all stock. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. That's a good looking truck right there. Perfect stance. Have a great day, folks.